because this fire truck just came storming at us with
We're doing a full E85 tune.
What's up, everybody? We've got the M4 looking nice and pretty at my favorite spot where we like to drift, get photos, get as much content as we want, because we're with Graham today. Guys, say what's up to Graham. This guy is crazy with his camera skills. So he's got like this, I don't even know, man. Like, that is a lot more gimbal than what my gimbal is. Like, that thing looks like a beast. Then he's got his Sony. What kind of camera is that?
A7R2.
A7R2. So we're gonna get some like Instagram reels and just some content of the M4 drifting and whatnot. So yeah, it's a beautiful day, and yeah, we'll see what kind of stuff we get. So I'll update you along the way. Just did something a little sketchy. I backed up the M4 in between these two semi-truck trailers. Check out how big of a dip. I don't know if it shows on camera, but it's a really steep ramp, so I had to like awkwardly back my car up into it. Graham has footage of it, some cinematic footage of it, in fact. But yeah, I've got it positioned like in between these trailers, and part of my front bumper and hood was underneath the trailer at one point to like get it positioned like this, but I'm blown away. This is gonna be so amazing. I can't wait to see what these shots look like. Okay guys, update. We just came up with one of the sickest shots. So I have my fake spray paint. For the haters out there, it's washable. It does come off. We're gonna have me wearing my Just Go Drive shirt. I really can't show you it right now because I can't, my arm doesn't bend that way.
I gotcha.
Oh, there we go. The Just Go Drive shirt, guys. We're gonna get a shot of me walking up with the M4 and spray painting Just Go Drive. And we think it's gonna come out really good. Then we're gonna get a ton of like shenanigans and other cinematic shots, and ooh, we're pretty pumped about this. So, like I said, the spray paint will wash off, so it's not permanent graffiti, guys, so don't worry. What does that even say?
Jones.
We're gonna have to wipe that.
Oh.
That looks a little cleaner.
That's sick.
Guys, the first time I did it way too big, so we wiped it off. But that's the money shot right there. Just Go Drive. I made it as clear as I can. It's really hard to write letters with spray paint, especially when it's fake, so it kind of is like watery. But Graham got some awesome shots. Awesome shots. I can't wait to show you guys the final products. Graham and I just got spooked because this fire truck just came storming at us with its lights on. But they're just doing a U-turn. I thought we were in trouble for a second. I'm like,
grab the spray paint.
Yeah.
Grab the fake spray paint.
oh yeah, dude, where is it?
It was on the road.
Oh, it was on the road. Oh, you grabbed it? Okay. I was like, dude, maybe somebody thought we were like in trouble or something with our car like jammed in here. I guess not. They're just flipping a U-turn. And there's just guys doing wheelies on their motorcycles. They don't care. All right, you guys, we got the car out of the trailers. Now I'm gonna do my favorite thing, which is to drift the M4. So we're gonna get some shots of me drifting around here, and that's gonna be like the grand finale to this little cinematic edit we're filming. So always get a little nervous before I drift it, but it's fun. I gotta get my practice in. Gotta practice how to control this thing, and this is the perfect area to do it. So much fun. I love this car. All right, Graham pulled out his fancy lens for some photos. Instead of some videos, we're getting some pictures of the car drifting. So I'm out of breath because I've been running around, but we're taking a look at how these pictures came out, but they got to process because it's a really high file. You can get a sneak peek though, if my camera will load.
Can you get through the zoom phone?
Let's see. Oh yeah, check that out, guys. That is sick. So crisp. Yeah, guys, we are wrapping up the video shoot slash photo shoot. Graham is over there getting all of his gear packed up. So we got the M4 looking nice and pretty with tons of rubber on the side of it. Graham and I are gonna go get a beer. We're gonna go downtown or something, we'll see. But yeah, what a fun day shooting and everything. I hope you guys like watching behind the scenes footage. Like I said, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna play the completed footage and stuff in this video, but you'll definitely be seeing it on Instagram and my TikTok. Follow my Instagram and TikTok linked down in this video. We're also gonna have Graham linked down below in the video so you guys can check out some of his perspective and posts that he'll be doing with the M4. So yeah, what a rad day. We've got our beers, enjoying the nice weather. Look at this place across the street. It is so busy. There's like hundreds of people at this brewery, so we were gonna try that one out, but it's simply too busy to try out. So
What do you, if you had to give your beer a rate number 1 through 10, what would you give it?
1 through 10. All right, so I started off with an IPA.
Yeah, let me get this. We gotta do an official review.
This is my IPA. It was a juicy IPA. 7 out of 10.
A 7 out of 10 for the juicy.
They're good. I enjoy them. What do you think? Out of 10.
Out of 10, 1 through 10, I'd give it a solid 8.5.
8.5. Okay.
I'd take off the 1.5 because he asked for our IDs. Made me walk all the way back.
Yeah. That's true. He went to get me a beer and he's like, no, I need the other guy's ID. So he came back to the table, grabbed my ID, and yeah. We're chilling now.
Look so young.
Yeah. I guess we can't complain about that. All right, guys, we're putting Brian and Kenzie's new Vossen wheels on the X3M. They're waiting to get their bumper wrapped because somebody decided to run into them. So they're waiting on the wrap to show up. So that's why that looks like that. But yeah, they're taking the stock wheels off and putting the Vossens on, and these Vossens look beautiful. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when they're fully on. And then we got Mike and his 135. He's doing some work on it. We're gonna try taking that thing out for a ride. Be my first time riding it. Hey, what the pss are you doing? Oh, Mike, yeah. Sounds different. Be hilarious if he just jumps through the M4. Alright guys, Brian is finishing up the wheels. I can hardly talk over this car, but we're gonna go take a ride. You're on fire extinguisher duty. I got fire extinguisher duty. Hopefully we do not have to use that.
Yep.
Should probably buckle up. Back.
The brakes are sketchy. It's a project car. We still haven't driven it a lot, so let's see how it does.
Whoa. That sounds nasty, dude.
It sounds cool, right?
Dude, that's unreal.
Yeah.
I am very jealous of this thing.
And I'm still getting used to how this shifter feels with a Chevy and shit.
Yeah, I bet. Dude, the turbo stutter. Sounds so good. This thing makes all the right sounds.
Yeah. For being open downpipe, because I hate the sound that it's
loud. I want it to come from the back.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah, this thing is already feeling so rowdy and we're just doing normal driving.
I want to see if the LSD locks up a little bit. I'm just gonna try to see if it just rotates. I'm not trying to do a full donut. Let's do first gear. See if it doesn't bog. We have no fuel, so it's like bogging already. I need fuel. Get one from out of the car.
Yeah, let's get some clips to the outside. No fuel. All right. That's all we can get out of it because it's cutting out fuel.
I looked down and that shit said -1.
Oh no.
Drives great.
Yeah, it feels really good. Feels smooth.
For a base map, it feels pretty good.
Yeah, it really does.
This shit sounds so cool.
Dude, it's so sick. It's so nice like hearing this thing run and everything after watching it
Brakes feel okay.
sit for so long. Back in the shop.
Doing donuts, me and Mike are doing donuts, and then all of a sudden I'm like, get out of the car, let me try again. I go to do a donut, I lose all pedal, I look down, negative fuel. I got no gas in it. I got no gas in it.
This thing's crazy. What do you guys think about this thing? Comment down below. All right, guys, so we brought some E85 jugs because as you saw, Mike's car was running out of fuel. So we're gonna get fuel for his car. And we're doing a full E85 tune. We're going stage 2 full E85 on the M4 right now. So we're gonna see how the car feels after that. I don't have a lot of tire tread, so my traction's kind of all over the place. So Mike, how long have you been waiting to drive your build?
Well, I drove it the other day, it was just, the alignment's all up and doing weird shit.
But how long has it been a work in progress?
It's 6 months.
6 months, 7 months. And it is April, almost May, and he's finally driving it.
I'm wrapping it too, I bought the wrap already.
This is exciting. Very, very exciting. All right, guys, the car is almost at a full tank of E85. I'm kind of nervous, not gonna lie, but they said my car's not gonna break, so I trust them.
I shouldn't.
It shouldn't. He's not firm on that. It doesn't sound like it.
It shouldn't. I mean, it's still a BMW. You can't beat on it.
Yeah. All right, guys, we got almost a full tank of E85. We got some precious E85 sitting in the back, so we can't really rip on the car because I don't think I want my car to smell like E85 for the rest of my ownership. So once we get to the shop, we're gonna take the E85 out, fill up Mike's car, and then see how my M4 feels. All right, guys. So we got 45 stage tune, stage 2 tune. So we're gonna do a little bit of pull. I already did one pull, but I'm gonna do like a wide throttle pull. Yeah, this thing gets up and goes. It feels good, doesn't it, Mike?
Yeah, it feels pretty good.
All right, we'll do an anti-lag pull. It moves. It's definitely a lot quicker. So we grabbed a lug and it's making around 23, almost 24 pounds of boost. Before it was only making between 18 to 20. So that extra boost is definitely helping.
space everywhere. Okay. No. Less. Okay, more. Less. There you go. There you go. Alright, give it power. Go that way. There you go. Very good. Just very, very lightly.
Oh, I thought there was a cow pulling out.
Nah, you're good.
That felt really, dude, going left definitely felt
It
way
feels
better.
way easier, right?
Way easier.
Yeah, the other way is awkward because you're flying into the door panel.
Yeah. Come on, Brian.
Dude, I've been trying. Dude, how? You're gonna have to get it over your head and just